YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, with over 2 billion logged-in users every month. In today's video, I will show you how to create a YouTube channel in just a few simple steps. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need a Google account. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, click on the Google Apps button at the top right corner. In the dialog box that appears, select the YouTube icon. This will take you straight to YouTube's homepage. Once you're on YouTube, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel from the drop-down menu. You'll see two options: use your name or use a custom name. If you're starting a personal channel, you can go with your name. But if you're creating a brand or a business channel, it's best to choose a custom name. Choose a name that is memorable and represents your content well. Once you've decided, click Create Channel. Congratulations, you now have a YouTube channel. Before you start uploading videos, customize your channel to look professional. To do that, click on Customize Channel. This would take you to YouTube Studio to access your channel settings. In YouTube Studio, you can add a custom banner that reflects your channel style. Tools like Canva make this super easy. You can also upload a profile picture, whether it's your logo or something that represents your channel. If you're not satisfied with the channel name or handle you picked earlier, this is the place where you can change it. Next, fill in your channel's description. This is where you introduce your channel to new viewers. You can also add links to your social media accounts or website, which is great for driving traffic across platforms. Lastly, toggle on the Home tab to access more customization options like adding a channel trailer, featured content, and more. Once you've made all your changes, click Publish to finalize them. To upload a video, click the Create button at the top right of the screen and select Upload Video. And that's it. You have created a YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching,